Hey guys, today welcome to Teardown. In this one, we're going to see if we can kill Mech Godzilla with shards. Let's begin. Okay, let's spawn him in. But this might be difficult because shards are very trickery. Let's go. You wanna go? Die. Ouch. I can't go kill myself. Come on, die! Why don't you die? Oh, this is a piece of meat. I mean, this we're not the one. Like this. You wanna go? What is this? Oh my god, guys, what are we doing? Yeah. That's the best we got. Come on, get up. Get up, Godzilla. Come on, get up, Mecha. Come on. Get up. Oh, okay. Oh, whoa! What the hell? This guy won't die. And he destroyed half of the building. Is he dead? Did we win? Did we win? But where is he? I hear him. We need to fly away. Well, guys, I think that's the shard. I think we'll give Godzilla a tie. We can't really defeat him with the shards because one, I can hear him. If you can hear him in distance, I can also hear him. So I think he won. Well, I also won because he is injured. Where is he? I can hear him. Where the hell is he? He's not under there. Is he? Damn. Okay then. Okay guys, think we'll leave it at that. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.